So how are we growing up and how the birds are growing up, Rhea?
We are growing up fast.
Okay.
And the birds are growing up slowly because they are birds.
And we are?
Human beings.
And how do human beings grow?
Fast.
Really fast.
No.
Then?
Medium.
Medium fast. Okay. Who grows really fast? Is there anybody who grows really fast?
No.
There's nobody. Giants?
Yes.
Yeah?
Giants grow really fast.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So you like the birds?
Yes.
Okay. What do you do to them?
When you want, yes, the giant did not like it because they were not talking to me.
They were not talking to you. Okay. Today, are they talking to you?
Yes.
What did they tell you?
They tell me that excellent because they tell me I want to play with your daughter set.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. And then did you guys play? You and the birds?
Yes.
Oh, you did? Okay. How did you play?
I put injection to the bird.
You put injection? You gave an injection to the bird? Okay.
No, not injection.
Then?
Plaster.
You put plaster on the bird. Okay. The bird was hurt. How did the bird get hurt?
With a knife.
With a knife? When did the bird get hurt with a knife?
No, with the string.
With the swing. Okay, and why?
That round one.
Okay,
The small round one.
okay, and why did the bird get hurt because of the swing?
The bird was standing, then it hurt the bird on the legs.
Oh, okay.
On the big toes, this one.
On the big toes. Okay,
Fat one.
the fat toe. Is it? Okay. Sure. So you will let us know once the bird is all right.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to say bye to anybody?
Yes.
Say.
Bye.
Thank you.